Hi, Leslie at Robert Haack Diamonds. Do you have a piece of jewelry that needs a repair, a ring sizing, maybe just a reconditioning of your beautiful wedding band? Here at Robert Haack Diamonds, we have goldsmiths on staff. Hard to find these days. We don't ship off your rings. You come right to our store and our goldsmiths take care of it for you right here on the spot. We normally need about a week to a week and a half, but you'll be more than pleased when your ring or chain comes back and it looks beautiful. Anything that needs to be repaired, please stop in Robert Haack Diamonds.